Morning guys, back again. Wednesday morning now. Haven't done a lot of filming this week. It's been wet, cold, it's been miserable. I just haven't really been feeling it the last couple of days. Motivation's been pretty low. Just getting home soaked and it's just a bit tedious now. I find this time of year it's like the last little push till Christmas, and then it's kind of like can sit back and relax then over Christmas and have a bit of time off. Done a bit of soft washing yesterday, put some clips in now, just putting a bit of back 50 down on a car park area just to kill all the algae off and get that looking a bit cleaner for them. That's actually an additional charge. We include spraying the weeds, but we don't include cleaning of car park areas. I include the cleaning pathways on these sites, so we'll run the pressure washer over them in the spring, or I'll just spray them with like a soft wash solution. Once you've cleaned them once, you don't really have to pressure wash them again if you keep on top of them with the chemical. But yeah, I don't include the car parks because some of them are absolutely massive, so if they do want a car park clean or a treatment, then it's comes out of their additional budget. But yeah, we're back out today, gonna get some leaves collected here. Most of them are nearly down. The oaks are in full force now, so yeah, all the ones with oak trees, loads to collect on them. It's actually quite nice and sunny this morning, but I don't know how long it's going to last. So yeah, today collect some leaves. I'm going to try and get some liquid iron treatments down just to knock the moss back. The moss is coming through so quick on the lawns that I need to get some liquid iron down just to knock that off so it doesn't get any worse. But it's been so bad, sort of windy and wet, that you can't do any spraying. So we'll mix some iron up, get these ones sprayed up, and then yeah, we'll take you along for the day and see what we get up to. Just unloading at the end of the day, and another van full of leaves again. I know you saw the big dustpan and brush, but have you seen the big rake? This is a bloody workout using it though, but it is good. Another thing that I think's a must this time of year are these. If you haven't got a pair of leaf grabbers by now, what are you doing? Because there's no bending over, you're just picking them up and putting them in the bag or in the bin. Like that. Worth spending a few quid on. I have changed the bolt in these. I found that was a bit pants. But yeah, these are bloody good. These 3 bags are all from one house as well. 3 bulk bags and 3 wheelie bins. Back here again, guys. Loads of leaves down, and we're giving these seeds their first cut. It's long at the other end, but yeah, just running over it with the Ego mower. So give it a cut and a feed. Yes, people, back out now. It's Saturday morning. You've seen me do a couple of jobs. Not done much filming on Friday, but we're just out doing some bits to this stihl backpack blower. This is the old air filter, so it's about time we got a new one and got this running how it should be running, because it is not running right at the minute. It's coughing, spluttering, struggle to start, and it's seen better days, to be honest. So it needed a little bit of love. So we've been down to HSS in Woking this morning and picked up this service kit for it. So it's spark plug air filter and fuel filter. Simple to do. So get all these in, and then we'll see how it's running. Hopefully it's running a little bit better. But yeah, we're just pottering around here today, getting the van a bit tidied up, getting the container sorted out because it's in a mess, and then we're going to shoot off, and that'll be us done for the week. Don't normally work Saturdays, but I end up pottering about, tidying up mess and stuff that I haven't had the time in the week to do. So it's all these little maintenance jobs that I'm really struggling to find the time for at the moment. Especially now when you come home from work and it's pitch black and it's horrible. I mean, all I want to do is just go home. Get the spark plug out now. Imagine this is in a dreadful state. I don't know. I can't remember the last time I touched anything on this blower. It's just sort of left, yeah. Look at those. So it should be running like new now, hopefully. Tiny little spark plug on these as well. Like for quite a loud, big, powerful machine, the spark plugs are absolutely tiny. Yeah, that's that one done. And now to do the fuel filter, but I'm pretty sure. There we go. Like I say, I've never changed any bits on these. It's just been as it is. So let's hope I can get this running, but then once it seems to be warm, it doesn't want to run, or run very well, that's for sure. Yeah, just hook that out, push that back on. The only problem is now is this doesn't want to sit very well. It's sitting up at the top rather than down in the bottom of the fuel tank. See if I can get this back out. I have to find some sort of longer pokey tool to push this back in. Maybe this one. Probably not ideal because it is dirty, but it's not sinking down to the bottom. Oh, there we go. Done. Fuel filter, air filter, spark plug. Let's have a look, see what it's running like now. See if we can start it quite quickly. Not starting. This ain't good. Thought this would solve all my problems. Not ideal. Maybe because I pulled the fuel line out, it's empty. I'm not too sure. I used to absolutely love tinkering about with all the bits of kit, messing around with engines and all of that, but these days I just haven't and can't be bothered to mess about with it. I'd rather just give it to someone else to do that knows what they're doing. But changing a service kit like that for the sake of these 3 bits, I mean, anyone could do that. The hardest bit was getting the fuel filter out and back in. Let's have another go now. It's close.